to Greenstone Ivy. Hope everyone's well. So you're joining me today. I'm just about to start carving the wording for a job for Tyres Hall Farm in Barnsley. So I got contacted by Paul some months back now about doing this job. He'd found a piece of stone on the farm and he wanted to do something really special, a memorial for his old boss, Josheph Dickinson OBE. And every now and again you get a customer that comes along, when you're talking to him about a memorial or a project, you can just see the passion in him, you can see the smile on their face when they talk about his person. And Paul is definitely about this, about Joseph. He's just the way he talks about him, just the way he says his name and he says the OBE on it. You can just feel the pride in his voice and his face as he's talking about it. Him and his son came in and had a chat with me for a good 45 minutes about it. Brought me a booklet over. Really, really nice people, and I'm dead excited to do this job. I really want to get out there and get it done for him now the weather's warmed up. So I can't bring this one in on my workbench, so it weighs 1.8 tonne. So I've prepped it outside. I've polished down a rugby ball shape. I've put the wording in there, marked it all out, got it all stenciled on. I'm just about to unsharpen the chisels, make myself a nice coffee, get comfortable and start doing some carving. And I thought I'd take the camera out and show you how I get on. Right, let's have a go. another job all finished up. I really enjoyed painting that this afternoon in the sunshine. I hope you've enjoyed watching me, and I'll see you all next time.